I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand, the single-door refrigerators. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For these units, the entire length, they are about like a 20 and 3 4 inches. And the overall depth about like a 22 inches. And the overall height about the units about like a 69 inches tall. As we can see the front of the units, they have a big glass doors and swing doors. On the side, they have a lockers to holding the door. When we opened it, we can see there is a big LED lights on the side, and the shelvings, they are adjustable. They total have 4 layers. Let me take the measurements for them. The unit's entire length, they are about like a 16 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 46 inches tall. And the width of the units, they are about like 18 inches. This unit is simple. Have a switches right here to control the top LED banner, the lights, and also have the switches right here to adjust the temperatures, and also have a big circling fan to making the units cooling at the temperature you want. When we're looking down the units, we can see the standard 110 plugs right here. And also on the back side, we have all the cost sheets and demonstrations informations. They have ETL, UL sanitation stickers on the back. And this will be all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.